Has made it to part one of our delivery, and this is alcohol delivery. And they think I'm finna go up to the second floor. I think we're gonna call this video how to increase your acceptance rate on Walmart Spark. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and we back on the grind, guys. I just came back from GigCon 2023. It was lit. I met so many great content creators and so many great drivers and so many just great people in general, sponsors and partners that we're gonna be working with here in the future. It's going all the way up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Up. And I ain't never turning back. So check me out, guys. I got a little goal of like, $100 a day today on Walmart Spark, but things are really, really slow. And here's why. We got two incentives going on. We got a Sam's Club incentive, an evening incentive from 2 to 10. Each Sam's Club order you complete goes towards an incentive. You get 3 done, you get like $9. You get 5 done, they hit you with a $30 bill. Then if you get 2 more, you get like 50. And then it's another incentive running in conjunction with that. And this one is just a regular Walmart Spark incentive going from today and tomorrow. You get 10 trips done, no, 8 trips done, you get 1. And if you get like 3 more trips, you get another one. So needless to say, it's gonna be a lot of drivers out here. The ones that usually come out and only hit Walmart Spark when there's a good incentive, they're gonna be out right now. That's why I'm not seeing so many orders. I've only got 3 orders done today, guys. First order was $11 for like 7 miles. Wasn't really good, but it was a round robin. So I went on and snatched it trying to get the AR up. Next one I got, this one came in, it was right here, $7 for 3.7 miles. I knocked that out. It was a Sam's Club offer, but this one didn't go towards that incentive because it don't start until 2 p.m. But it's all good though, 7 for 3, it worked perfect for me. But they did send me a couple orders that I absolutely could not take. Take a look at these real quick. We got $7.15 for 4 miles. That one ain't even a round robin, so I'm definitely leaving that alone. We had $7.92 for 7.1 miles, and that's a 2-stop order, so that one is actually infinitely worse. Then the next one, $10.51 for 11.9 miles at the Home Depot. I just went on and let all them stick because they always ASAP orders, meaning that there is no time limit on me accepting them. You could decline them if you want to, but I just like to go ahead and just leave them alone. I messed up one time and I accidentally pressed accept on one of those orders. So now I just leave my fingers away from them all the way unless I'm trying to accept it. Every now and then there'll be an order I click on and I have to see some more details. For the most part, if I'm not planning on accepting it, I'm not even gonna touch the screen. But that was the first round of orders. Then this next round of orders they sent me didn't look too much better. This first one might have been acceptable if it wasn't taking me to the hood. We got $22.22 for 15 miles on that one. No, for 12.5 miles. But like I say, if it wasn't taking me over to the hood in St. Louis, I could have took that one. But I'm good. $7 for 4 miles. What's this? $7.15 for 4.8. So none of those 6 orders were worth my time or my energy, but I did get those first 2 done, and now I'm sitting here waiting on order number 3. This one came in at $13.46 for 6.7 miles, and it was a round robin, so it's going towards that acceptance rate. Now, I have heard that, a lot of times you might do a couple round robins in a row, and they don't necessarily increase your acceptance rate every single time. This is not nothing new to me, guys, okay? I done dealt with DoorDash and Uber and all the other ones that play their acceptance rate games. So really, the main thing I'm focusing on is, yes, I want to accept orders that have a timer on them to increase my rate, but also want to keep in mind that every single order I do ain't gonna necessarily increase it, right? Just because I do an order with a timer, that don't mean the algorithm is gonna necessarily recognize that. So I still want to keep in mind that I only want to accept orders that meet my parameters. And on the flip side, I got to ignore a whole lot of orders on the ASAP side that I might have taken because they don't increase your acceptance rate. And the thing is, if it's an ASAP order and it's looking good, that means somebody else done already had it, dropped it, and I'm getting it. So it could be a lot of wait time on that. And I did experience that yesterday over at the Wood River location. I got an order that was $20-something for 3 miles, and you don't see those a lot on ASAP orders. Well, when I got there, I had to wait 20 minutes for it, even though it was supposed to be ready. So these are the things you want to keep in mind when you out there doing them ASAP orders. Now, I'm finna pull over here to parking spot number 5, see if they run this order out to me real quick. It's a round robin, so we in good shape. Customer tip good, double order going 6 miles away. Both customers are really close to each other. So I like that because when I drop out the first one, I'm gonna be 2-3 minutes away from dropping off the second one, and then I'm be in perfect position try to get that next order. I clicked on Instacart, I clicked on Roadie, and I ain't getting nothing from them. I'm talking about nothing. Every single order that was on Roadie was trying to take me over to the St. Louis side. And I'm trying to make a couple dollars over here before I slide over there. Because I go over there to get my gas, guys. And if I ain't made my daily goal over here, I really don't see no reason to drive all the way over there just to fill up the gas tank. I gotta get the ball rolling, get a couple points on the board, get a couple dollars on the tally, and then I can go over there and decide if I want to pull up and get some gas. All right, so we got our Walmart Spark order in the car. That first order is only one bag, which is very surprising. Like, I never get no orders that literally be just one bag, but it's all good though. 2 drop-offs. The second one is only a couple bags itself too. So like 4 bags on the second order, 1 bag on the first order. We in good shape. Now, the only downside to this order is it's 10 minutes away. It's taking me over to Troy. It says 6 miles, and it is 6 miles. It say 5.6 right here, but for some reason, that's a 10-minute drive right now. And normally it don't be no 10-minute drive. So I don't know if we got, you know, excessive traffic down this way, or I really don't know what's going on. But it's gonna take me a little longer than normal to get down there. Normally it probably take me 6 minutes to get down there. And I usually would calculate 10 minutes for there and back. But these are the type of things you gotta deal with in the gig economy. Like, everybody on the road right now. It's school about to start back up. Everybody rushing to get their last couple supplies. They're trying to get everything in order. So you gotta keep that in mind when you out there trying to get your money. It took them a little bit of time to bring this order out too. Well, it's 58 and I'm just now leaving, and I pulled up right at 45. So it took them like 13 minutes to bring this thing on out. But that's cool though. I know they oversaturated as far as drivers, and I know they overworked as far as the employees go. So I don't hold it against them when it take them a little extra time to bring them orders out. But what I do is I say, you know what? If it's taking extra at this hour in the day, it's probably gonna take extra all day. So let me plan so I can maximize, because I'm still trying to hit my daily goals. Now, I turned on Ship, guys. Ship got a couple offers over in the Alton area, and I'm trying to see if I don't get nothing consistently or nothing that make me want to wait at Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and flop over to I'm gonna flop on over to Ship and try to complete a few offers over there. Get my training wheels off over there, and maybe please that Ship algorithm, and I can start doing a couple more shopping orders over on this side. And that's really what I got planned for right now. So we got, you know, a little bitty drive till we make it to our destination, and we're gonna get this money. All right, dropping off order number 1. Drop that right there. All righty, nice, easy drop off on that one. Now the next one is only 3 minutes away, so we in good shape on this one. Don't even need to click the seatbelt back on. Now I think it's gonna be like right down the street, so we're gonna go down this way. We're gonna make 2 turns, and then we at our next destination. This is how you make that good money on Walmart Spark, when you got 2 customers and they close to each other, because then that way you can put yourself in a position to accept your next order, or at least not, you know, be too long along the way until the next round of round robins drop. And that's really where you make the money at, on them round robins, because them ASAP orders is a gamble. It could take them anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to bring out an ASAP order. That's why they need it done ASAP, because the first driver they sent it to didn't accept it. Nice little view of the lake right there. What is that, a swan? Okay, that's crazy. That's a nice little lake right there. Might have to come back and check it out. Alrighty, so we have made it to our delivery location, and look at those beautiful poodles. Now, I don't know if you know, but poodles are very, very expensive. Those are 2 beautiful poodles right there. Nice out, guys. We got some fully restored chairs. This awesome customer just got these chairs back, got them fully restored, and now these are gonna last probably another 50 to 80. Oh, look at you. Alrighty, I'm leaving. I think this might be your property line right here, buddy. Alrighty, guys. So far we are sitting at $32.19. I've been out for about 2 hours. So not the best start, but it is Tuesday. $13.46 on one offer, $7 on the next one, then $11.73. So I'm waiting on my next order. Got a 10-minute drive back to the zone, and we're gonna see what we get. Well, next up, we got 2267 for 32.2 miles. I said, you know what? I'm good on that. That's a Sam's Club pickup. I ain't been getting no good tips on those offers, so I had to go ahead and let it go. Sitting at $109 on the week so far. I've only been out for Monday and Tuesday. No, that's not right. I did a couple orders on... No, Sunday don't count. So Monday and Tuesday is the only thing that's counting towards this right now. $109, not bad, but I really need to run that up. This offer is way better. 21.25, 8.1 miles, and it's around robin. So I went on and took that one. We got 2 orders on this one, and I'm already at Walmart, so we in good shape. So now I got this one, $21.25. That's gonna put me at about 53 bucks on the day once I get this one done. But here's the thing. It might be close to 3 o'clock once I get this one done. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use that opportunity to take a break, give me something to eat, hop back out here. Maybe a couple folks that's been out all day, maybe they'll go home, you know, and they'll leave some money out here for the rest of us. But you know, it's all good though. Things are still pretty slow. And I don't feel like driving to no other Walmarts. They got construction over here at this one. So it's already a lot of drivers that normally pick up here that are already over at the different locations. And keeping that in mind, I say, you know what? I'm gonna do the easy thing. I'm gonna just keep on doing these Spark orders, keep on getting that acceptance rate going in the right direction. And hopefully I can put myself in a position where I can begin to see, you know, $70, $80, $90 Walmart Spark orders again. Cause let me tell you, it's been some months since I done seen orders that good. And I know they still out there because I see the screenshots that everybody else be posting. So I know them orders is out there. It's just all about what I got to do in order to get myself in the threshold so I can receive those orders. And we about to make it happen. All right, dropping off the first part of this order. I already got the grocery bags up there. Go ahead, drop that soda right there. We got like 3 Sam's Club orders come in. All of them ASAP orders. Nah, I can't take none of those because I mean, we're not even talking 1-to-1 miles to money ratio on those. I mean, they absolutely horrible. Alrighty, next up, we got this one right here at $12.50 for 4.9 miles. And they tried to send me a couple other ones, but I was like, nah, I need that good old round robin so I can keep these wheels rolling. But I got a couple minutes until that one's gonna be ready. So I'm over here at the park real quick. This is where I like to pull up at and use the restroom. That way I don't gotta go all the way up inside Walmart, waste a whole bunch of time, turn the car off and everything. I mean, you still gotta turn the car off, but you ain't gotta worry about walking through that herd of Walmart people. So let's go ahead and get this next order. I think we're gonna call this video how to increase your acceptance rate on Walmart Spark, because that's basically all I've been doing this whole time. I started at an 18%. After the first day, I was able to get it up to like 22. Then we jumped up to like 32. And then we jumped up to 40, 42, and now we have 48 for today. So hopefully after today, it'll be over 50%. That's what I'm hoping now. We got $12.50 for 4 miles, 2 orders on this one. One of them is an alcohol delivery. So we will be doing some verification, but it's all good though, because I usually get great customer ratings on the alcohol orders, and I also want to get that up too. So probably about 5 more minutes till that order's ready. Let's head on back up to Walmart. It's made it to part 1 of our delivery, and this is alcohol delivery. And they think I'm gonna go up to the 2nd floor and deliver this. It's not happening. I'm not carrying this. Sir, they must not know I don't play no games. I canceled that order so quick. This is my next address right here. And the time it's taking me now to pull up over here, that's what it would have been waiting on him. Hell to the no, boy, I'm here already. Alrighty, order number 2. See, front door service, no alcohol. Yes, sir, so we got that alcohol order returned, and as soon as I got back, got this one, $25.33 for 5.3 miles. I had to go ahead and snatch that. Now this order right here is gonna put me at probably about 85 or 90 bucks. And I'm cool with that. And it gives me 30 minutes to pick it up because the time is now 4:26. So I'm finna go to the crib, grab me a little lunch, and head right back up here right in time to pick up my next order. Let's get it.